What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new video for you and I'm really excited because I got some stuff in the mail from Karina Garcia and Craft City. So I'm really excited to show you all what I got. If you're excited for the video as well, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the Unicorn Fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here and having your post notifications on. I love you very much. If you would like a Unicorn Fam shoutout, all you have to do is comment down below using hashtag Unicorn Fam. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on your post notifications. That way you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Alrighty y'all, I'm really excited to show you everything that I got, so let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so getting into the boxes that I got from Craft City here, there are actually two boxes, so I'm going to show you what is in each of them, obviously. So in the first box here, it starts off with a sweet and lovely note from Karina Garcia herself, my girl. I love her so much. And then there's also a little card that shows some of the products that are going to be coming soon, and then also some products that are out right now as well. I love the look of everything. Everything looks just super cute and like kind of holographic and slimy and just blues, purples, like totally my aesthetic. I love it so much. So inside the box as well is this slime swag box, which is like just kind of like a little PR package, I guess you would say. So I'm going to show you what's inside of that. But first, let's open up this next box as well. And again, just like the other box, we have a lovely note from Karina, and then also that card that shows some of the products that are coming soon, and then also the products that are out right now, and of course another slime swag box. I love these boxes so much. They are so freaking cute. They say born to create on them, slime swag, and of course Craft City by Karina Garcia. I think they're so adorable. I love the coloring on them, like goals on goals. I literally cannot even get over how cute this packaging is. Like, it's so freaking adorable. I'm going to show you what's inside. I just really wanted to show you all the packaging because it's gold. So let's go ahead and start off with the first box and see what is inside. I see beauty and a bunch of color already. And right off the bat in the box, there is some candy. There's a lollipop here. Who doesn't love candy? I mean, am I right? There's also some slime. Who also doesn't love slime? So there's Blackberry Blast Off right here. This next one is Mood Ring. It's actually a thermal, like, heat changing color slime. It's really cool. And then this one right here is the Cherry Cola, which was my favorite. It smelled so good. And then this last one here, this one is Pink Glitter. Also in here we had some other goodies as well, like a little squishy. It's like a winking face. I think it's super cute. And another one of my favorite things that's in here, look at how cool this stress ball is. It's an Orbeez stress ball, but it has mesh over it. Like, I've obviously played with an Orbeez stress ball before, but not one with mesh. It is super cool and addicting. Honestly, I probably played with this stress ball a little bit longer than I had to. Just saying. I really liked it. Could you imagine if Karina and Craft City came out with stress balls next? Like, the world would be shook. Alrighty, next it's time to dig into the second slime swag box. I just want to say really quickly, thank you to Karina and to Craft City. You were super generous for sending this to me. Y'all are A1 since day one, okay? So starting off in the box, there is another lollipop, which I love. This one was a red one this time, and there's more slime. So we actually have a second Mood Ring color. There's also a Milky Way cereal slime. This one right here is called the Blue Glitter. And we have another Cherry Cola. Also, there is another squishy in here that had me so shook. It's a unicorn bun. How freaking adorable is that? I love it so much. Y'all, there's even another stress ball in here, which is perfect because I've been playing with mine so much, it's bound to bust soon, so I have a backup, so that's good. Now that you've seen everything that Craft City and Karina Garcia have sent me, let's go ahead and get into the slime. So starting off with Milky Way cereal here, this one had one of the best scents. I really liked the way it smelled, and it was just a really nice textured slime. It reminded me almost like of a cereal milk texture. It was very thick. The one thing I do want to say about these slimes is they're store-bought slimes, but they're like the best store-bought slimes you're ever going to get because they're not putties. Like a lot of store-bought slimes are marketed as slime, but they're more on the putty texture. These are actually very stretchy. you can poke them and get some great bubble pops out of them. So if you're looking for a great slime and you can't make it yourself, you should definitely hit up Karina Garcia at Target and go get them. This next one is called Mood Ring, and this one I believe is unscented, but it smells very pleasant. There's not like a particular scent, if that makes sense. This one is the one that changes color with heat, so I will show you that right now. You can see there it's already turning like a super light purple. I think that is so awesome. Next up, we have the pink glitter slime, and this one smelled so good. I don't know like what the scent is. If I had to guess, I would think it was like a fresh watermelon scent, because that's what it reminds me of. But it's so pretty with all the glitters, and it smells super good. It's definitely the best scent out of all of the ones that was sent to me today. And of course, since we have the pink glitter, you have to throw in the blue glitter. I really love this one so much. It was so beautiful. Both of the glitter slimes were definitely very beautiful. This one had a fresh scent as well. Nothing that I could pinpoint like in particular. This one, the glitter, obviously with slime, glitter settles to the bottom. So I was just like scraping the rest of the glitter out. It wasn't the actual slime that was stuck in the container. Just kind of wanted to clarify that. Blackberry Blast Off was another slime with a really nice scent and packed full of glitters. This one had like more chunkier glitters in it, which I loved. I totally loved the color scheme of it. I just think it looks super pretty. Alrighty, y'all, well, that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know which of the slimes are your favorite. I do have to say Mood Ring and definitely Cherry Cola was my favorite. If you want to pick up any of the products that you see in today's video, all you have to do is head over to my description box. It'll take you straight to Target.com, or you can head over to Target and just go buy some slime because they're in every Target. And I also believe that they're expanding to Joann's Fabrics, if I'm not mistaken, so you can also check there. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!
Talk behind my back, but never up in my face, though. I just want my money, chips, guac, and queso. Dame un beso.